Down on the bottom, 6.4, part 2. We're going to do part 3 of the note sheet. Okay? Now, there was a reason why we spent so much time reducing our square roots, because we're going to need it for this section. Now, you guys got your little card I gave you yesterday? Cubes, squares, and if you got $5, you can get another one. All right, so in number 13, we're working with what kind of index? What kind of root? What's my index? My index is 5. Okay? Now, I'm going to look on my little chart here, and I notice that my fifth columns, the number 32 is there. So this is a perfect fifth root. So again, remember how we did this? We made 2 radicals out of this. Let's see, I'm going to have, this time it's not just a square root, it's the fifth root, and then the fifth root, where this was like my perfect, in this case, fifth roots, and this was my imperfect. So 32 is a perfect fifth root. So I'm going to put it under my perfect bracket. Now, what about a to the fifth? Remember, I'm taking the exponent, and I'm dividing it by the index. Do I get a whole number with a to the fifth? Yes, because it's a to the fifth divided by 5. Okay? So my a to the fifth is a perfect fifth root. What about b to the 10th? Is that a perfect? Could I take out a perfect fifth root out of b to the 10th? If I take the exponent 10 and divide it by 5, do I get a whole number? Yes. So it's a perfect fifth root. So I'm going to put b to the 10th. We don't even have any imperfects here. Okay? Now, what is the fifth root of 32? Well, look at my little chart here. There's 32. It's 2 to the fifth. So the fifth root of 32, 2. Okay. And then I've got my exponent, 5, divided by my index, 5, is a to the first, or just a. Okay. B to the 10th divided by 5 gives me b squared. That's my answer. I just took the fifth root of 32, a to the fifth, b to the 10th. Okay. Now, that won't happen. That one was easy because they were all perfect fifth roots. Now, what about you know what? I'm going to skip 14 for a sec. I'm going to go to 15.